Your next car could be the 2024 Honda CR-V. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.